The IR remote controls available on the iSeries will allow you to operate entertainment devices such as a TV, DVD player, or radio directly from your device. In addition, you can also control environmental devices such as lighting, doors, bed adjustments, and thermostats. IR controls provide increased independence when controlling the environment and access to leisure activities. I'm going to show you how to locate IR page sets and how to program IR codes. To set up the IR function, you will need to teach specific remote control commands to the iSeries device. For example, on a TV remote, commands would include things like power, channel up, and volume down. To get started, you will need your iSeries and the remote that operates the desired appliance or device. The next step is to check to make sure that your home page has an IR remote page set available. Ready-made IR page sets are available for you to use, but you may need to add them to your home page before you can get them set up. If you don't already have one, you can easily add it. To do this, first access the Quick menu. You can touch, hold, and then release anywhere on the screen, or press this button on the left side of your device. You can right-click if you're using a mouse, or select Ctrl-M on the keyboard. Once you're on the Quick menu, select All Page Sets, and then select Text Communication. This is where you will have access to all of the remote page sets. Select IR Remote Controls. You will have a choice of simple or full remote page sets for radio, DVD player, and TV. If you would like to view the page set before committing to putting it onto your home page, just select it and then choose View. Choose the one you like and then select Add to Home Page. Now that you have access to the remote page sets on your home page, it's time to add IR remote commands to the buttons on the page. This is when you'll need to grab your remote. On your IR remote control page, select a button where the IR code will be programmed. In this example, I'm going to start with the TV power button. A menu will pop up telling you that the button has no matching IR command. Just select Yes to add a new code. Position the remote control with your finger ready to press the desired button in front of the IR receiver and follow the on-screen prompts. You will be prompted to press and release the button on the remote a few times. Once the learning process is completed, you will be returned to the IR page set. You will notice that the button you just programmed will change color if the code has been successfully learned. Go ahead and try the IR command to make sure it works the way you want before proceeding to the next button. Repeat these steps until you have added all of the desired remote commands. If you run into problems, make sure that your appliance is truly operated with IR signals and not using radio frequency. A good way to tell is to check to see if the appliance has an antenna. If so, it might be using radio frequency instead of IR. In the case of the TV, you may need to program more than one remote. Or, you may also need to add appliances where there are no ready-made page sets available. You will need to use the My IR Remote Controls menu to add additional appliances. This is located on the System tab in the Caregiver Settings menu. And then make sure to add the My IR Remote Control page set on your home page. Let's review. The IR remote controls available on the iSeries will allow you to operate IR-enabled appliances directly from your device. If you'd like more information, please see the IR remote control section of the User's Guide. You can also check out other videos and training materials on mytobiidynavox.com.